Hey, it's Michael again from Men's Finest, and this is week 3 of our sort of pocket square bow tie bonanza giveaway. Call it what you want. This week we have another pocket square. Last 2 weeks we had a white pocket square and 4-corner big silk pocket square. This week we are having our yellow, blue, red pocket square. This is also massive, sort of 40 by 40 centimeters, lots of corners, lots of color, which is important. Recently we had a guy, we styled him, he was all grey, white shirt, grey bow tie, and then yellow pocket square. It looked absolutely amazing. So you can play with yellow, you can play with blue and red. How would you basically style this? Very easily. If I want to display some yellow, I would probably grab this in the middle. I would go it like that, so then I've got my yellow pop in here. I would do it slight twist, place it in my pocket. Whether I want to show the corners like this or not, it's doesn't really matter. And then I can leave it like that. It's going to last me for the day. So don't forget, somewhere here, either up there or somewhere, there's going to be a link to buy this for only £10, only this week. This is your chance to get this week. If not, it's going to go, it's going to disappear, it's going to be, it's gone. So grab it this week. It's your chance to start wearing something amazing. After this week, it's going back to $49.99. This week only. Do it.